Hey y'all, what's up? I'm making this video so that you can quickly replicate this noise that I'm hearing. It's a very distinct noise. You'll hear it kind of sounds something like, well, something like that. Um, Anyways, the car has to be hot or it needs to be running at temp. Like you go around and you run, 2 or 3 miles there to get it all heated up. Now, you can see that I am just not going fast and I'm not giving it a lot of gas. I mean, I'm just trying to stay in that 20 to 35 mile per hour range. And what I do is you know, I'll be coasting and I'll, add a couple 300 revs and then just kind of go back down to coasting and, you know, redo those revs. And it's during the time that I'm redoing the revs, adding some more revs, a couple hundred more revs. That's when this noise can be heard, and it can kind of be heard. I like to do it like in third gear. Like third gear seems to be the most consistent or reproducible way to reproduce the noise. But the car has to be at running temp. It won't do it when it's cold. Now, from here, is another a minute and a half, 2 minutes of video where I'm just driving around, just trying to replicate this noise for y'all.